Morning, students. Now we are going to see the lesson for the advent of the Europeans. Advent of the Europeans. The first one, the summative assessment. Summative assessment. Revision one. Revision one. The history lesson of advent of the Europeans. Advent of the Europeans. The revision class. The first one. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Who laid the foundation of? Who laid the foundation of Portuguese? Who laid the foundation of Portuguese power in India? Portuguese power in India. Portuguese power in India. First one answer Vasco da Gama. Second one B Bartholomew Dias. C Alfonso D Albuquerque. Alfonso D Albuquerque. Answer is the correct C Alfonso D Albuquerque. Alfonso D Albuquerque. The second one, which of the following European nation was the foremost attempt to discover a sea route to India? The new sea route. Those Europeans discovered the new sea route. First one, the Dutch. Second one, the Portugal. Answer C. Foremost to discover a new sea route in India. Answer first one A Dutch. Second one B Portugal. C1 France. Answer is the second one B the Portugal. Third one. In 1453, Constantinople was captured by dash. The important question. In 1453, Constantinople was captured by dash. Answer A, B and C. First one the French, second one B, Turkish, the Turkish, the Dutch. The answer is the correct. What B or the Turkish. Second one, Sir William Hawkins. Sir William Hawkins belonged to dash. Sir William Hawkins belonged to dash. First one A, Portugal. Second one B, Spain. Third one C, England. The Sir William Hawkins belonged to the native place of England. Answer is the C, England. Next one. The first fort constructed by the British in India was constructed by British in India was dash. ST. So listen here. Fort ST William Fort. Next one Fort of ST Charge. Next one Agra Fort. Agra Fort. The answer is the correct. The answer is the correct. Saint Charge Fort. Saint Charge Fort. Repeat the one time. In 1453, Constantinople was captured by dash. The answer is the correct answer. B. The Turkish. Second one, Sir William Hawkins. Sir William Hawkins belonged to dash. Portugal, Spain. The answer is the correct. England. Fifth one, the first fort constructed by the British in India was dash. The British India was dash. First fort is Saint Charge Fort. Saint Charge Fort at Madras. Saint Charge Fort at Madras. Saint Charge Fort at Madras. Next choose. Who among the following Europeans were the last to come India as traders? Last to come to Indian traders. Listen here, the British, the French, the Danish. The last traders. Who among the following Europeans were the last to come India as traders? The last to do India traders. Answer is the B. Correct answer. Listen here. The French. Listen here. The seventh one. Travancore on the Tamil Nadu coast was a trade center of the dash. Answer A. The Portuguese. B. The British. Answer C. And the French. Next one D. The Danish. The answer is the correct. The Danish. The Danish. Repeat the second Roman letter. Filling the blanks. Second Roman letter. Filling the blanks. National Archives of India. NAI. National Archives of India is located in dash. New Delhi. New Delhi. The second one. Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, was patronized by Das King John II. King John II. King John II. Next one, the printing press. The printing press in India was set up by Dash at Goa in 1556. Portuguese at Goa in 1556. Portuguese. The printing press in India was set up by Portuguese at Goa in 1556. Fourth one, the French East India Company. The French East India Company was formed by Dash Colbert or Colbert. Listen here, first one, the National Archives of India NAI is located in New Delhi. Second one, Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, was patronized by King John II. Third one, the printing press in India was set up by Dash Portuguese at Goa in 1556. Fourth one, the French East India Company. The French East India Company was formed by Colbert. Next Roman letter 3. Match the following. The Dutch East India Company started in year 1602. The Dutch East India Company started in 1602. Next, the British East India Company. The British East India Company 1600. Next one, the British East India Company formed a Spanish armada ship. In under London merchant people or organized the British East India Company in 1600. Next one, the Danish East India Company. The Danish East India Company 1616. Next one, the French East India Company was started. The French East India Company started 1664. Repeat the one time. The Dutch East India Company 1602. The British East India Company 1600. The Danish East India Company 1616. Next one, the French East India Company 1664. Next Roman letter. Fourth one, state true or false. Listen here, autobiography is one of the written source or the true. Answer is the correct true. And next one, coin are one of your material sources. For true or false. Listen here, coin are one of the material sources. Answer is true. Next one, Anandarangam was translated served under the British. The answer is Anandarangam was translated served under the British. Further now answer. The answer is the wrong answer. Or false. The next one, the place where historical documents are preserved is called archives. The answer is true. Answer is true. Repeat the one time. Autobiography. Repeat the one time. Roman letter 4. State the true or false. Autobiography is one of the written sources. True. Second one, coin are one of the material source. True. Third one, Anandarangam was translated served under the British. False. Fourth one, the place where historical documents are preserved is called the archive. Next Roman, fifth Roman. State and the appropriate answer. Listen here. Roman 5 the statement. Listen here. First one. Governor Nino D. Kunka moved Portuguese capital from Cochin to Goa. Cochin to Goa. Governor Nino D. Kunka moved Portuguese or another place. Portuguese capital from Cochin to Goa. Cochin to Goa. First one. Second one. Portuguese were the last to live from in India. Live India. Next third one. The Dutch founded the first factory at Surat. Next one, fourth one. Sir Thomas Roe was sent to Jahangir Court, the Mughal ruler Jahangir Court, by the King James I of England. The answer is the correct. First one A, 1 and 2 are correct A. Second one, 2 and 4 are correct. 2 and 4 are correct. C. Third is correct. C. Fourth one, 1 is 2 is 4 are correct. Here the correct one. Listen here. Governor Nino D. Kunka moved a Portuguese capital from Cochin to Goa. Are the correct statement. Second one. Portuguese were the last to live from India. Are the correct statement. Next. Fourth one statement. Sir Thomas Roe was sent to Jahangir Court by the King James I of England. Or the statement are the three statement are the correct. The answer is the D. Answer is the D. 1, 2 or 4. Or the statement are the correct statement D. Correct statement D. The Roman letter 6. Roman letter 6. Answer the following. Answer the following. Give a short note and accuse. Give a short note and accuse. Accuse is the place where historical archives is the place where historical documents are preserved. The National Archives of India (NAI) is located in New Delhi. Is located in New Delhi. It is the chief storehouse. It is the chief storehouse and many plants and storehouses are the storehouses of the records of the government of India. Records of the government of India. Repeat the one time. Give me a short note on archives. Archives is the place where historical documents or the important historical documents are preserved. The National Archives of India (NAI) is located in New Delhi. Is located in New Delhi. It is the chief storehouse. It is the chief storehouse of the records of the government of India. Next question. Second question. Answer the following. Write about the importance of coins. Write about the importance of coins. Listen here. Coins are a good source. Coins are a good source to know about administrative history. Listen here. To know about the administrative history. Listen here. Coins are a good source to know about administrative history. The second point, as compared to the literary sources, the changes of manipulation is very less in that case of coins. Thus, they are an authentic archaeological source. Repeat the word here. As compared to literary sources, the changes of manipulation is very less in the case of coins. coins. Thus, they are an authentic archaeological source. Authentic archaeological source. Repeat the one time. Write about the importance of coins. The important question. The revision isn't here. Write about the importance of coins. Importance of coins. Coins are a good source. Coins are a good source to know about administrative history. To know about administrative history as compared to literary sources. As compared to literary sources, the changes of manipulation is a very less in the cases of coins. Thus, they are an authentic archaeological source. Authentic archaeological source. The fourth one question: why Prince Henry is called Henry the Navigator? Next question: why Prince Henry is called Henry the Navigator? Henry the Navigator. Henry the Navigator. Prince Henry the Navigator. Listen here. Prince Henry of Portugal. Prince Henry of Portugal, who is commonly known as the navigator. Encouraged his countryman. To take at the adventurous life, exploring the unknown regions of the world. Repeat the one time. Prince Henry of Portugal, who is commonly known as the navigator, encouraged countryman to take up the adventurous life, exploring unknown regions of the world. Next, fourth question: mention the trading centers of the English in India. Mention the trading centers of the English. Mention the trading centers of the English in India. Answer: the English has established that trading centers at Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad, and Bharuch. Repeat the one time. The English has established the factory. Established the trading centers. at Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad, and Bharuch. Next Roman letter 7. Answer in detail. Give an account of sources of modern India. Give an account of the sources of modern India. First point: the sources for the history of modern India. Help used to know as the political, economic, and cultural developments in the country. Cultural is here. Social, economic, and cultural developments in the country. Repeat the one time. The sources for the history of modern India help used to know the political, socio-economic, and cultural. Social, economic, and cultural developments in the country. Second point: the Portuguese, Dutch, the French, the Danish, and the English recorded their official transactions in India on the state paper. Repeat the one time. The Portuguese, the Dutch, the French, the Danish, and the English recorded their official transactions in India of state paper. Third one: history can written with the help of written sources, and material sources. Listen here, written sources and material sources. Written sources and material sources. We don't have history can written with the help of written sources and material sources. The fourth point, written sources. Listen here, written sources. After the advent of printing press, listen here, after the advent of the printing press, books were published in different languages. People began to acquire knowledge easily in the fields like art, literature, history and science. Written sources. After the advent of the printing press, books were published in the different languages. People began to acquire knowledge easily in the fields like art, literature, history and science. The fifth point, archives. It has a main source. It has the main source of information. For understanding past administrative. Listen here, understanding past and administrative machinery as well as a guide to the present and future generations related to all the matters. Written sources, archives and material sources. Repeat the one day. Give an account of the sources of modern India. The sources for the history of modern India help used to know the political, social, economic and cultural developments in the country. The second point, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the French, the Danish and the English recorded their official translations in the India and state paper. Third point, history can return with the help of written sources. History can return with the help of written sources and the material sources. Listen here, fourth point, written sources. After the advent of the printing press, books were published in different languages. People began to acquire knowledge easily in the fields like art, literature, history and science. Fifth point, archives. It has many sources of information. It has many sources of information for understanding past administrative machineries are new machineries are introduced, administrative machineries as well as a guide to the present and future generations related to all the matters. Next one, the material sources. Painting and statues are a main sources of Indian history, which provide the information about national leaders and Asia personalities and their achievements of the material sources. Historical buildings, museum, preserved and promote of cultures. Next point, coins are buildings. Listen here, coins are a good source to know about the administrative history. Listen here, coins are a good source to to now about administrative history. Administrative history. Okay, students. Students, prepare well for the 70 assessment one. Thank you, students.